live, so we're gonna have a burping contest.
Oh, I just did it. Did you just hear that?
No.
Oh,
Bring
wait.
your chair in a little. You're like, Cutting that out. Okay. I feel like something's coming out. Never mind. There we go. That was a nice one. Wait a little bit after you drink so you don't puke. Puke. Feel that burp? Breathe back out. Who's on the thing?
I did it! Ah!
It's your mommy.
My mama.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
Hello. Hi. No, this is Valerie. Yeah. And she just hear that. Allison just burned really, really loud. Frying a 4-piece chicken nugget, maybe separate. I don't know.
I'm a winner. I am a winner.
Mickey D's cool. Oh, Coke, not diet. Who drinks diet stuff? Yeah.
I'm gonna order a large fry and a diet soda. There's no point in that.
Yeah, just my usual, maybe a milkshake. Yes, a milkshake. It was building up inside of me. You just hear that ginormous burp off.
You're a contest winner.
What would you like, Allison?
I would like a large fry and a 4-piece McNugget.
A large fry and a 4-piece McNugget. We're so weird.